First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 47 daily score booster questions starting with simplifications. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Let's get started with question number 1. Here it is 19, 15 times is 285 and 17, 12 times is 204. Next, 31, 1 times is 31. We left with 279. 279 means 31, 9 times is 279. So we have 15 into 19 divided by 12. So what we have is x equals to 15 into 12, 15 into 19, which is 285 divided by 12. And this 15 comes this side with minus. 15, 12 times is 180. So 285 minus 180 whole divided by 12. We have 501 divided by 12. 12, 8 times is 96. 96 means 4. 96. 4 plus 5, 9. 90. 90 means 7 times 84 and 5 times 60. So 8.75 is our answer. Option E is our answer. Next, here to solve this, we need to know the cube values and the square root values. So 9261, it is a cube of 21. 4913, it is a cube of 13. Wait second, 17 square, it is 3. Unit digit is 3, so the unit digit for this one is 17. So the value of 4913 is 17. Root over 729, the value of this one is 27. So we have 14, 15, 65. So answer is option B, 65. Next, third one, 14.28% of 196. We know that 14.28% is nothing but 1 by 7 into 196. So 7, 2 times 14, 56, 8 times whole divided by 11.11 percentage, which is nothing but 1 by 9 into 99. So 9 11 times. So what we left is 28 by 11 equals to x divided by root over 1089. 1089 is a value of 33 square. So we get a 33 here. 11 3 times, x equals to 28 3 times. 8 3 times is 4. 24. 3 2 times 6 84. So answer is 84. Option A is our answer. Next, fourth question. Here we have, to solve this question, we need to know the square values. So 26 square value is 2676. And this looks like a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b, which will be 51. A plus b into a minus b. So difference between these two, which is 3. So 3 1 times 3, 3 5 times 15. So totally we get 153 for these two, equals to 17 square, which is 289 plus x. So what we have is 9 to 829 minus 289 equals to x. So x is equals to 9 and 9 cancels 0. Here we have 4 and 7 minus 2 5. 540 is our answer. Option, wait a second, sorry, here sum of these two will be 61. So 3 1 times is 3 and 3 6 times is 18. We get 183 here. So this will be 9 and 15 and this is 9. So 9 and 9 0. 5 minus 8 means 2 plus 5 7 and 8 minus 2, which will be, this is 859. 859 minus 289 will be 570. So answer is 570. Option D is our answer. Next, fifth question. 12.5 percentage means 12.5 percentage. 12.5 percentage means 1 by 8. Fraction value is 1 by 8. 8.33 percentage. 8.33 percentage means 1 by 12 into 66.66 percentage means 1 by 6. Two third is the fraction value of this one into 14112 equals to 7x. 7 2 times 14, 0 times and 1 time is 7. We left with 42 means 7 6 times is 42. Okay, next 2 6 times 8. Let's make this as a 4 2 times and 4 5 times, 0 times, 4 4 times. So now we have 16 18 2 times 38, 18 2 times 36, 36. We left with 144. 144 means 18 8 times is 144. So we left with 28 divided by 2 to 14 times. So x value is 14. Option B is our answer. Now we are going to solve quadratic equations. Quadratic equations, first question. Here first we need to see the symbols of roots. Plus and plus means the roots are in negative. Minus and plus, so the roots are in positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Okay. Next, second question. X value is root over 1 to 96. So we get here these are same. So here the value becomes in plus. Here y square is equals to 1 to 96. So the roots are plus and minus. We get the same values here. So here we have, by comparing these two, or else 1 to 96 is the value of 36. 1 to 96 is 36. Y square value is plus or minus 36. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Okay, next, third one. First we need to see the symbols. Plus minus means minus and plus are the roots. Minus and minus means plus and minus are the roots. Now by comparing these two, x is greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. So there is no relation in this two equation. Or else by seeing minus at both the ends, we can say that there is no relation for these two equations. So we check the option C and D cannot be determined. Next, let's see this one. 114. 114 is 19. 6 times is 114. We got 13 by subtracting these two. So plus and minus means roots are minus and plus. Here 45. 45 means 15 3 times. Plus and plus means minus and minus. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that here these numbers comes in between these two. So x is greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. So no relation is in between these two equations. Next, fifth question. Here x square value is 245 plus 44, which will be 289. So x value is plus 17 or minus 17. Here y square minus 35y minus 326 equals to 0. So in this case also we get the roots are in minus and minus means plus and minus are the roots. Here we have plus and minus, here also plus and minus. So x is greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. So there is no relation between these two equations. Now we are going to see wrong number series. Wrong number series, first question. Here it is clear that into 1 plus 2. Here it is into 2 plus 3 will be 19. Into 3 which will be 57 plus 6. Here it is plus 6. But here 2 3, maybe this is the wrong one. Let's see this one. Into 4 times, which will be 12 24 25 minus 3. Here it is into 5 times, and 5 times 45, 5 4 times 20 24, 5 2 times 10 12, 1 2 4 5 plus 6. So these two must be the wrong. 3 here it must be 4, here it must be plus 5. So in between these two, which is 63, this is our wrong number. Now we are going to see question number 2. Here the difference between these two is 4, here 17, here the difference is 21, here the difference is 34, here the difference is 44. So these are the 4s at the unit digits. Let it be 14 and it must be 24. We see the gap of 10 in each places. So these two are wrong. So our wrong number is this one. 22 plus 14 will be 36. 36 plus 24 will be 60. So this is our wrong number. Let's see third one. Here the difference is plus 4, minus 9, plus 16, minus 19. Here plus 30. So 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. These two are not squares. So this is our wrong number. It must be 5 square and this must be 6 square. 5 square 25, 25 to the 67, which will be 67 minus 25, which will be 2 and 4, 42, 42 plus 36, which will be 78. So answer will be 48 is our wrong number. Next, fourth question. Here we see it is into 5 times plus 1. It is into 4 times 81 plus wait a second, into 4, 84 plus 1. It is into 3, 3 5 times 15, 8 3 times 24, 25 plus 1. So it must be into 2, 12, 10, 11, 5, 5 1 2 plus 1. So it must be into 1 plus 1. 5 1 3 plus 1 will be 5 1 4, not 5 1 8. So this is our wrong number. Next, fifth one. Here we see 17 4 times is 68 minus 6. Here it is into 5 times will be 310, 310 minus plus 10, 310. Here it is plus 10. Let's see this one, 4 and 5. So it must be into 3 times. For 3 times is 12, 12 plus 5 plus 5 minus 6. So it must be into 5 plus 7. It must be into 5 plus 7 means 62 into 5 times will be 10, 3 times 310 plus 7, 317. So the next one must be into 6 minus into 6 minus 8. So 6 times unit digit is 2, 2 minus 8, which will be 4. So this is our wrong number. 320 is our wrong number. It is into 7 plus 9. 4, 7 times is 8 at the unit. 7 4 times. 317 into 6, 6 7 times 42. 6 1 times 6 plus 4, 0 10 and 6 3 times 18 19 minus 8, we get 1894. So this is a wrong number. Instead of 320 we need to write 317. Okay, next we are going to see missing number series. Missing number series, first question. Here we see the differences is 1 2 and 1. Here the difference is 9 and 4, 49. This is 7 square, this is 11 square. So it must be prime number squares. So it must be 5 square. Here 25. So here the difference must be 3 square, which is 9. Here the difference must be 2 square, 4. 129 plus 4 will be 133. 133 plus 9 will be 142. So answer is 133. Option A is our answer. Next, here we see the differences between these two is 21. Difference between these two is 2 plus 21, 23. Here the difference is 25. Here the difference is 27. So it must be 29. So subtracting 29 from this one will be 7 1 217. So answer will be option D, 217. Next, third one. Here we see that this is into 2 times 66 plus 5. This is into 2 times 142 plus 7. It is into 2 times 270. This will be 280, 298, 298 plus 9. So it must be into 2 plus 3, into 2 plus 1, 14 plus 1, 15, 15 2 times 30 plus 3, 33. So answer will be 15. Option B is our answer. Next, fifth one. Here we need to see the differences. Here the difference is 42. Here the difference is 6 and 56. Here the difference is 0 and 7, 70. These are factors of 7. 7 10 times 7, 8 times 7, 6 times. So here must be 7 4 times, 7 2 times. 7 2 times is 14. This is 28. 57 plus 14, which will be 171. 71 plus 28 will be 99. So answer will be 71, option C. Next, fifth question. Here, fifth question. This is into 3 times will be 1 2 and 1 2 plus 2. This is into 3 times. 13 3 times is 390. 390 plus 4 3 times 12, which will be 2 3 1 4 1 2 4 1 2. Wait a second. This is 402. 402 plus 2. So it must be into 3 plus 2, into 3 plus 2, into 3 plus 2. For 3 times 12 plus 2, 14. 14 3 times will be 42 plus 2, which will be 44. 44 3 times. For 3 times 12 and 3, 132 plus 2, 134. So answer is 44. Option D is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. So for inequalities, we use the method of flow method. If we see symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. Let's see and understand with direct questions. The flow from W to T. From W we can reach to T. It is possible. So first conclusion is true. Second conclusion, the flow from Y to T with everywhere equals to. From Y there is no flow. So second conclusion will be false. Second question. First conclusion, the flow from V to T. From V we can reach to Z, Y and U. Here V to Z is possible. From Z we cannot able to reach to T. Second conclusion. First conclusion is true. False. Second conclusion, the flow from T to U. From T we can reach to W and Z. From Z to U it is possible. So second conclusion is true. Next, third question, the flow from B to F. From B we can reach to D. From D we can reach to F. First one is false. First one is true. Second one, the flow from D to C with everywhere equals to. From D with C it is going and with everywhere equal to is also possible. So second conclusion is also true. The flow from J to H. From J we can reach to G. From G we can reach to H. First one is true. Second one, the flow from J to I. From J we can reach to G. From G to I it is possible. So it is also true. Fifth question, the flow from U to R. From U we can reach to W. From W we can reach to R. First one is true. Second one, the flow from Z to T with everywhere equals to. From Z we can reach to W with everywhere equals to. From W we can reach to T, but there is missing of equal to here. So second conclusion will be false. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms. First question, all lily is jasmine. All lily, jasmine. Some daffodil is lily. Some jasmine is lotus. Let's see conclusions. First conclusion, all daffodil being lotus is a possibility. Here there is no case here. So here saying about possibility. So first conclusion is true. Second conclusion, some lily is definitely not a lotus. Here we see not here. So we check all lily can be lotus is not. All lily can be placed inside lotus. All case is possible. All case possible means some not case will be false. Second conclusion is false. Second question. Some badminton is tennis. All tennis is hockey. No badminton is rugby. Let's see conclusion. Some tennis is not rugby. Here we see not. We check all tennis can be rugby or not. All tennis can be placed inside rugby. It is not possible because of sharing with B. So first conclusion, all case fails means some not case will be true. Let's see second conclusion. All hockey can never be rugby. Here we see never. So we check all hockey can be rugby. All hockey can place inside rugby. It is not possible because of sharing with B. So all case is not possible means all never case will be true. Next, third one. All finger is a hand. All finger is a hand. No hand is leg. Only a few legs are toes. Conclusion, some leg is not toe. We see not here. So we check some all legs can be toe. All legs can be placed inside toe. It is not possible. So all case not possible means some not case will be true. First conclusion will be true. Some hand is not toe. See, we see not here. So we check all hand can be toe. All hand can be placed inside toe. It is possible or not? As it is possible. All case possible means some not case is false. Next, fourth question. Some car is van. No van is bus. Some bus is jeep. Let's see conclusions. Some jeep is van. Jeep is here, van is here, and it is direct conclusion, and there is no direct relation between these two. So first conclusion is false. Second conclusion. All car can never be jeep. We see never here. So we check all car can be jeep. All car can place inside jeep. Yes, it is possible. All case possible means all never case will be fails. Okay. Next, we are going to see fifth one. Only I is G. So G is inside I and doesn't share with anything except I. Only a few I is Y. Only a few. Okay. All Y is X. Let's see conclusions. Some X is I. Some part of X is sharing with I. S. First one is true. Second one. Some G is X is a possibility. Some part of G is sharing with X is any possibility. No, because G shares only with I, nothing except I. So, second conclusion is false. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle, floor-based reasoning puzzle. Let's see this. 8 persons living on different floors in same building in such a way that the ground floor is 1 and the topmost floor is number 8. So, the floors are 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Next we need to write the statements. There are only 2 persons live between the floor. Wait, first statement is from here. Hanska lives on even numbered floor above number 5. Above number 5 even number floor. So Hanska place must be either this one or this one. Okay, next. There are only 2 persons live between Isha and Dimpy. Isha and Dimpy, there is only 2 people in between them. Okay. Kavita lives immediately above the floor which Farhan lives. Immediately above Farhan, Kavita. Okay. Isha lives on even numbered floor below the floor on which Hanska lives. Below Hanska, even numbered floor. Talking about Isha. So Isha place must be either here or another possibility is here. In this case, we get so many possibilities. So let's see the remaining statements. ET lives on floor number 4. ET lives on floor number 4 means this case fails. It is in floor number 4. So now we have E can be placed below H in even number, means either this one or H, I, and this is. So we got 3 possibilities. Next, there are only 3 persons live between F and G. For F and G, there is only 3 persons in between them. Next, G, who lives on odd number floor above the floor on which it lives. Above it odd number floor is the floor of G. If we place G here, 1, 2, 3, this is the place for F from this one. So K and F are immediate places. So there is no place for K here. In this case, if we take G here, so we take G here in this odd place, we get 1, 2, 3, F place is here, but we cannot able to place K. So this case fails totally. Let's see, if we place G here, 1, 2, 3, F place is here. F and K are immediate, so we cannot able to write G from here. Let's take G here, 1, 2, 3. This is the place for F. F and K are immediates. Okay, this one is completed. This is also completed. Now we have E, 1 to D. E is here, 1, 2. This is the place for D, and we left with only jth. So this is the place for jth. So this is the solution we got from our puzzle, from our question. Let's see the questions that are asked in questions. Let's see, who among the following lives on the topmost floor. It is H, Hanska. Option B is our answer. Next, second question. Gaurav lives on which of the following floor? Gaurav lives on floor number 5. So fifth, option D. Next, we are going to see question number 3. How many floors between jth floor and Farhan's floor? Jth's floor and Farhan's floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So option B is our answer. Next, Dimple lives on which floor? Dimple lives on third floor. Option B is our answer. Next, fifth question. How many floors between Isha and the one who lives immediately below Dimple? Isha and Dimpy, 1, 2, 3, 3 floors. So option B is our answer. By this, we have completed today's daily score booster questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.